The United Students Union of Karbi Anglong protests over non-completion of PMAYZ houses. Nili BJP holds Booth Sanmeelan. Microfinance bank resuming loans recovery shocks customer. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News with Julie Baby. The United Students Union of Karbi Anglong had on Wednesday shown their disappointment over the non-completion of PMAYZ houses in the rural areas of Karbi Anglong. Here is a report. The United Students Union of Karbi Anglong had published poster of the RDA, E.M. Madhurya Thekel Phukan, and Project Director Sasikanta Timung, criticizing of their alleged irregularity that had resulted in the delay in completion of the houses. The US-UKA leaders informed that they had submitted written appeals several times in the past and urged the concerned department and officials to take note on the issue. However, both E.M. Phukan and PD Sasikanta Timung turned deaf to the demands of US-UKA. This resulted in several houses still left incomplete in all the 11 blocks under KAEC area. The students' organization had also condemned the BJP government of being ignorant towards the pain of the poor public. US-UK Secretary Jintu Hajarika said that if the KAEC does not positively respond to their protests, they will hold stronger protests in the coming days.
Karbi Anglongor Pawapali EM Madhurya Thekel Phukan aru DRD juntu PD Sasikanta Timungor adi প্ৰত্যেকটো কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো ঠাইত আজি পোষ্টাৰিং তেওঁলোকৰ বিৰুদ্ধে পোষ্টাৰিং কৰা হৈছে। সেইটোৱে তেওঁলোকৰ ব্যৰ্থতা, তেওঁলোকৰ দুৰ্বলতা আৰু এই বিজেপি চৰকাৰৰ এই ফেচিবাদী চৰকাৰৰ তেওঁলোকৰ ব্যৰ্থতা ইয়াতে বুজায় সেইকাৰণে আজি আমি গণতান্ত্ৰিক প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰ আন্দোলন কৰি আমি আজি তেওঁলোকক পোষ্টাৰিং কৰিবলৈ আমি বাধ্য হৈছোঁ আৰু অনাগত দিনত তীব্ৰতৰ আন্দোলন হ'ব।
Harsing Rongpis report from Hawarkihat, Karbi Anglong Live. The Nilib Mandal Committee of the BJP had conducted a Booth Sanmeelan to meet all the polling station-wise party leaders. The meeting was called as preparation for the upcoming elections and especially to discuss about the plans to ensure the party's victory. The Nilib Mandal Committee leaders visited all the polling stations and met the leaders. They visited Borlangso PS, Sarihuti PS, Jongpha PS, Chokihola, Chotiona, Borjan, Nambor, Deigrum, Mirabheti, Rongkimi, Hirhiri and Akhoiputa polling stations. The program began on Tuesday, marking the beginning of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma's second year as the Chief Minister of Assam. The Booth Sanmeelan will cover all the PS within Nilib and the local leaders will brief on the strategies for the election ahead. Among the leaders who led the program were former KSA President Bijoy Bey, Nilib BJP Mandal Committee President Bapuram Teron, Secretary Rilipson Teron and others. During the meeting, the party leaders emphasized on the need to spread the message of peace that had prevailed and development that has taken place in the regime of BJP. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. As the microfinance bank resumed loan recovery, women who have taken loans from them are surprised and worried. The bank agents visited the house of several women in Rongkoroi area and the Rongkang constituency and started asking for payment of loan installment. On Wednesday, when the bank agents visited the village, women assembled and expressed their hesitancy to repay the loans. They say that the Assam government had already announced exemption of the burden to pay the same through a waiver scheme. The loan waiver checks were ceremoniously distributed to the beneficiaries across the state. In fact, the present Assam government had given the promise of loan waiver before they came to power and once they had fulfilled it.
হেমন্ত ডাঙৰীয়া ছাৰে ক'লে যে চিঞৰি চিঞৰি যোৱাবাৰ ইলেকশ্যনত ভাষণ দিছিলে যে বোলে আমি গোটেই আমাৰ মৰমৰ আই মাতৃসকলৰ মাইক্ৰ' ফাইনেন্স ঋণ আছিলে মই মুক্ত কৰিম বুলি ক'লে সেইসকলে এতিয়া ছাৰে কি কৰিলে আমি সেইটো বুজি পোৱা নাই আমি বহুত আশা কৰিছিলোঁ হেমন্ত মামাৰ কাৰণে এই আজি মামাৰ ভাগিনৰ কথাটো বিশ্বাস নাৰাখিলে
However, the bank agents going to villages and collecting loan installments have shocked the customers. They say that they will not give any money and even stated that if the bank officials do not stop coming to them in the microfinance issue, they will have to file an FIR in the police station.
নৰ্থ ইষ্ট বেংকৰ লোন লৈছিলোঁ এই লোন লোৱাৰ বিষয়তে মেনেজাৰ ছাৰবিলাকো সকলো আহিলে এজেণ্টবিলাকো মাইক্ৰ' ফাইনেন্সৰ কথা বিষয়ত আমি এইটো ছাৰৰ ফালৰ পৰাও জানিব বিচাৰিছোঁ এতিয়া একাউণ্ট খুলিবলৈ কথা ক'লে আমাক সেই একাউণ্ট খোলাৰ কথা বিষয়টো আমি ছাৰৰ পৰা জানিলোঁ তেখেতে ক'লে কিছুমানৰ নাম আছে কিছুমানৰ নাম নাই সেই লিষ্টবোৰ আমি চাই পেলাই আপোনালোকক আকৌ এবাৰ জনাম এতিয়া আমি ক'লোঁ যে কিস্তিটো আমি দিব লাগে নে নালাগে তেতিয়া সিহঁতে ক'লে কিস্তিটো দিবই লাগিব তেতিয়া সিহঁতক চৰকাৰ ফালৰ পৰা ক'লোঁ আমি যে নিউজত আমি দেখা পালোঁ এইটো দিব নালাগে বুলি আজি সকলো মহিলা ৰাইজে আহি বহিলে যে আমি কিস্তিটো দিব নোৱাৰে বুলি ক'লে
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.